Hello friends of software entertainment. Today is part 2 of our Testify footer navigation in the Sulu CMS. Last time we add a real navigation to the footer where you can select the footer part, and today we will do a snippet as a block element where you can link your friends. Every Monday I publish here a new video from my web development for my projects. So please give me thumb up and follow the channel. Give me comments what you want to have here as topics or what I improve on my setup. This will help me a lot and give me full motivation. So let's check out the page. Now we have here quick links, and the quick links goes to Never Code Alone and also to Sarah. She made all the design here and is super good on brand marketing. And here is a wrong character. She is written by a W. And now my editors check all those pages here. We do here new content marketing, and they also find all the bugs here. So they want to change it, and I don't want to change this every time with Pipeline. But for now, I have to add this new feature here. So I go to my terminal. This is our last push. So I say checkout main, and then git checkout branch, feature footer minus Twig minus links. Then I go back, and now I have here the footer, and here is save minus design and Never Code Alone as a footer menu on a snippet. So I just can close all other tabs because I'm working on this tab here, and open the snippet config file. And here we have text, headline, subline, organization. Let me check in the backend where it is. We have it here. Default snippets footer. This must be linked to run a snippet, and under snippets you have the real content. And now I have here footer, footer headline, footer subline. Have to check if this is already here. Don't know why I have done this, but for now I want this quick links. So maybe I do it above the organization and say here we have block element, and this element has items. And the items now here have a display and a URL. So it's a text line, text, we can also rename it to display, and a URL, and maybe we bring this in one line to have a bit more space here. So we say code span 6 on a 12 code span grid. And here we go. And then we can say in the footer we have here something like defined and not empty. This must be from the snippet. We must load informations from a snippet. Here's snippet organization. So we have to reload some more things. Snippet load by area. We have now this area called footer. And this will give us some content here from the snippet. And when we are now here, we have this defined content dot items, I think. And then we have a for loop on these items. Content items is not empty. We ask above, so we can remove this. This will avoid my Twig template when a feature is not rolled out or the editors don't add content to to protect me before a 500 comes. And now we have here just our links. Here is item.url. Target is blank. I think here's also a title where we can say item.headline. Target is blank. I think this rel no follow is also a thing what you can add here. I don't know exactly. Maybe someone can do it on the comments. What is here the right way? Because normally I also want to push my friends with search engine backlinks. Content.display. Okay, maybe it's ready. When I do something here on this things, I have to clear the whole cache in the container. Let me see. Bit struggle between German and English layout here. Programming makes much more sense on the English layouts. Okay. So now I have this, and when I now reload this here, I will have my list with block items. See this here now. I can add the things, but for now I want to check the fallback, so the quick links will be away. And we don't have a 500, so this is working. And now I say, okay, display never code alone, and we have this page here, never code alone.de. And I say save it. Now I can do a reload because I am here on my local system, and now I have a problem. This is not so good. When you have problems, normally when you are on a page, you will see them clearer on the preview rendering. Headline for array, keys, type, settings, display, and URL does not exist. Key headline, I don't know where I have this. Headline is display, okay. So this was a little trick here to show you how to get information when you just have this we got problem issue. Okay. Content display, item display, content items. And we are back on track. Now we have this link here, and when you see here, you also little no follow thing before never code alone. This looks good, so we can check here our git diff. Everything is okay. So we add this block name here, and on our HTML Twig file we add the snippet here to get the content, remove the static files and add the dynamic files here. Looks good for me. Add link list as block element to the footer snippet. Okay, English and German, now you can learn. A lot of things with it, and now I have this, and also will, and now I push it to my pipeline and everything will work. So by the way, when I got this link here from the pipeline before and do this to my GitLab on Firefox, then I just can do a merge request and also have a pipeline here. And this pipeline is building now my page, and it failed on the acceptance tests here. So we have this build part, we have a deploy part, we have a static code analyze here. And here we have now our tests, and we can open a link here. The tests are not running because of some caching issue and not cleaning up the right folder. I have to fix this night. We have here a backend. Then in this backend there is a dashboard, and in this dashboard our clients can see the testing pipelines for their project when they don't have even anything on infrastructure. But you can now see here that we have this problem with the cache, I can clear this cache manual when I connect to Rancher to my Docker environment. Here are all my Docker environments. We have this feature navigation footer. What is a full Docker environment with all data from the live setup copied to here, and you can also check the migrations and everything you want here on this feature. So we have this Testify Sulu feature navigation footer, and here I have my app container, and I can connect to this container and say this is a subfolder where this project is working in. Minus can clear this folder here, and now I've cleared this folder manually. Yeah, this is against my shirts, automate all the things. We will find it. But now you will see that here are no links, and this is the meaning that it will work here. And we can also log in here to this testing environment, but it's a preview setup. This, and when we can say, okay, just this about us page can be on our footer navigation, or also on our footer navigation. Then we build this, and then there is a reload here. And I can say reload this. And we have this about us link here on the corner. Thank you for watching this video and the deployment. If you want anything of this, it's published on GitHub, and all the information are there. I have a big heart for open source, so contact me at roland@testify.team or on the Sulu Slack or wherever you find me, just in the comments here. I will give you all this knowledge to bring you to a better life as developer. And for this now, follow the channel and have a nice start in the week. Thank you.